My people, now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. Oga Aluminium, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Good afternoon.
So me want to talk to you. So my name now is Osaboye. What about your name, Oga?
My name is Gibat. Gibat Aluminium.
Okay, Gibat Aluminium. Why they are come monitor wooden roofing and aluminium roofing. We one of our viewers from Edu Talk Show give you now come monitor for today. So I go to ask you question concerning the wooding. After the wooding, I'll say ask you concerning the aluminium. So, Oga Aluminium man, this wooden roofing, so like how much, like how many wood enter this roofing?
Like this house now. Check the upstairs now. You see, it don't pass. Normal 4 flats.
Okay.
Just check out view and well. You see, they're not near each other.
Okay.
So, like the wood we enter here now, like 3x4, carry about 45 pieces.
Okay.
Then why 2x4, carry 240.
Okay.
Then 2x3, carry 240.
Okay.
Then why the 2x2, carry 220.
Okay. Now enter the
yes.
roofing, like
yes.
that.
Not say like because good. So that this is some good where they call 18 feet.
Okay.
Some people they call like 15 feet. Some they call like 12 feet.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Wood they long past each other, and they make some. Their quantity of food go many.
Okay.
So all no go too many. Depends of the feet when the wood take on.
Okay. So this wood now, like how much amount of wood you want inside?
The amount of food we enter inside was 1.something million, but the wood and the nail, which is accessories,
Okay.
is 1,309,000.
Okay. Nice.
So waiting I buy for here.
Okay.
Is about 4 inches nail,
Okay.
2 bags.
Okay.
Then 3 inches nail,
Okay.
1.5 bag.
Okay. That.
But small thing can remain from 3 inches nail.
Okay. That 4 inches nail and 3 inches nail, abi?
All of them this side.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All of them. Even me, I know all of them. They say like yes, one bag of 4 inches nail. How much?
Bag of 4 inches nail is about 15,000.
How much?
15,000.
Okay, 15,000. What about the 3 inches?
Nail, the same thing.
Okay, 3 inches is the same amount. Okay, like your labor inside, that is the amount we talk, so your labor inside?
No, my labor not there.
Your labor not there inside this roofing, this wooden roofing. How much for your labor for the wooden roofing?
Labor we enter, my labor is about 260,000.
Okay, 260,000.
Like as I said.
Okay.
Has big pass for flats.
Okay. Okay. So this very house now a big pass for flat because of the organization of you, because of the a long way.
Yes, and if you check and you see carry only this side carry 6 gutters.
Okay.
Yeah, where you see so yeah, very side we see so carry
okay.
6 gutters.
Okay.
This front carry 2 gutters.
Okay. My people now the aluminium they talk to and you don't talk about the wood roofing, the money we enter and the amount of the wood we enter, the money of the wood we see enter talk in your labor is to talk. So okay, aluminium, let I go for this aluminium roofing when the roof they go so. So like how many meters of roofing go enter this building?
The total square meter we enter here is 573.5 meters.
Okay.
573.5 meters.
Now enter this building. So, like this, what is the name of the roofing sheet? So me and this is
black. Not jet black. All this one with the white. Now we turn it upside down.
Okay, I will show my people. No, what me if I don't talk to you, I'll go show my people. Let's see the roofing sheet well. So, you be the talk your son before I say I will show my people.
Okay.
So you say now you turn on.
Now me turn on because of sun. As sun the heater now, if you carry the black side go up, it go the hot for leg.
Okay.
I make I turn the back.
Okay.
Upside down.
Okay. Like this aluminum roofing sheet when I look so. How many gauge Be this
one
one.
0.45.
Okay, 0.45. Now be the gauge. Now be the highest gauge for the aluminium.
Yes. We
Okay.
get 0.50. That one pass 0.45.
Okay.
Then we get 0.55.
Okay.
That one pass 0.50.
Okay.
So, but this one now 0.45. Now the owner request for.
Okay. Per 1 meter for this roofing sheet, like how much?
3,700.
Okay, 3,700 per 1 square meters.
Yeah, per 1 square meter.
Okay. Okay, aluminium. I'll say ask a few another question again. Like how much meters you enter this up? So
The total square meter.
yeah, no, the total. I know. So you talk about the total square meter. You're saying when you enter the amount.
Amount. Okay, so about 2,121,950. 2,121,950.
Okay, inside that one, now your labor see there.
No, my labor not there.
Okay, how much
My
be your
labor
labor
not
there?
there. Accessories not there.
Okay, like how much accessory go enter this?
Accessories will enter yes about 50,000 naira.
Okay, 50,000 naira. The accessory. Okay, what about your neighbor?
My labor will enter yes about 140,000 naira.
Okay, 140,000 naira.
Check and I see now austere.
I don't. I dey show our viewer. Yes.
Now roof now we take the carry aluminium they go up.
Okay.
You know if you stretch hands.
Okay.
Go up.
Okay.
So you pull roof and so the up go the drag am.
Okay.
They go up.
Okay.
And beside that one this austere you say long pass for flat.
Okay. Nice. Sure. The longness. Okay. So you say that you come again for that your labor money. You say
40,000.
Okay, 140,000 for your labor. So in case of other of our viewers come across this work through our shining, you will do it for them like that?
Of course, I go do one for them like that.
You do it for them like that?
100% amount.
Okay.
But if the austere not big rich like this,
Yes.
I go reduce the workmanship.
Okay.
But as this one be, I go do one like that.
Okay. So you could call your number when our viewers fit reach you.
Okay, my
phone number.
WhatsApp number.
Yes.
Also my direct contact.
Yes.
081.
Okay.
63.
Okay.
80.
Okay.
29.
Okay.
70. I call again.
Okay.
081.
63.
63.
Okay.
80.
Okay.
29.
Okay.
70.
Okay.
That one my WhatsApp number. Also
Okay.
my direct.
Okay. Okay. So my people na the aluminium man they talk to. So my people. Now the austere be this and all the wooden work na you do and the roofing sheet. So what is one of the okay. So he's saying turn this one, bring the back come on because of sun. We not too all the ones that the use on the work for up. So now say part of the aluminium CBDs. So why they pass here because now austere if I pass the compound and not see the work. That's why I follow here. So both the wooden roofing and the aluminium are doing and the aluminium roofing I see they do so. So my people, I greet now for the time when I take they watch this video.